Perfect.
Okay, let's try it again. Now I got it here.
3, 2, 1, fire it up.
When it was done, it was done. There's no. I don't think we got to worry about hitting the starter button.
All right, who's got the extinguisher? We got a fire in there.
Let it burn.
Well,
We need an extinguisher.
no, do we actually need to?
There's legit flames.
Oh yeah, there's lots of flames in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's just spilled oil burn.
Well, we can just dump it and fucking. Maybe I should drive the tow truck away, or we can. Yeah, we should probably. Hey Harley, let's use one of your extinguishers.
I don't have an extinguisher.
Well, I will drop it and drive away. I don't care.
Take it on the jump.
a little beer on there.
Well, we can't. Oh, fuck yeah. Here, get out the way. We'll see what happens. I'd say get the fuck out of the way.
What's that?
Where's my remote?
Bud, your camera's on.
Oh, I should get that.
Hold on, Sam.
Hey, jump in there and put it in neutral.
Okay.
Yeah.
While I'm doing this, find an extinguisher. Everybody, is he out of it?
Yeah.
Turn the headlights off.
You want the headlights off?
Hold up. Hold up.
Get it.
You're gonna hit, yeah.
Video rolling. Yeah. Dan is a crazy psychotic son bitch. You gonna take her over?
Ooh.